I've been selling on Etsy for over a year now and have an excellent feedback score of 5 stars with over 1,000 reviews. I have used Etsy as a launchpad and a way to build a brand, and not just a shop. Etsy can be one of the best places in the world to sell your creative products. Here are my top tips for success on Etsy. If you want to succeed in putting your handmade items up on the market for sale, the most important thing you need is customer satisfaction. Etsy is still predominantly a buyer's market. If you don't set a clear goal of what you want to achieve, it is unlikely that what you do will be effective enough to help you get there. Here are some steps that will help guide you through setting goals and creating a dynamic business plan. Number 1. How to provide great support for your customers. It's not enough anymore to just have a great product. In order to stand out from the crowd, you need to be able to offer great support. In the age of social media, customers expect to be able to reach out to you and get a response within a reasonable time frame. Whether you're going after the online or offline market, email and message support is vital to online success. Without it, your customers are going to stay on the other side of the screen, watching your store become a ghost town. But what does that mean? Responding to customer messages is extremely important. Otherwise, your offers will all seem insincere and you could lose both credibility and sales opportunities. Let's make sure you are able to get customers to answer your messages within few hours. We can ensure they always receive the support they need. Number 2. How to have happy customers that will tell everyone about you. Your customers are a major part of your business, and they can make or break your company. Make sure you're doing everything you can to keep your customers happy and keep them coming back for more. Tell your customer why you're better than your competition and show them how. Be kind, but also patient and direct. Treat your customers like humans, not just numbers or economic units. Number 3. How to make sure that your product gets delivered on time. If you can prepare for a shipment to be ready the following day, make sure to include an additional 1 to 2 days of preparation time. You want to be ready to go at a moment's notice, so plan accordingly. If you want to make sure that your marketing efforts are effective, you need to make sure that your products are delivered on time. If you can't get your products delivered on time, then how can people trust you? In the retail world, it's often challenging to plan for delivery times because retailers put products into distribution facilities at the end of the month, so there's no opportunity for planning ahead of time. Perhaps you can anticipate that you will get a spike in orders around Mother's Day. That's when demand for consumer goods often peaks, and provide your own customized solution to swiftly fix this, providing a service to the public, not merely to the buyers themselves. Retailers sometimes also rely on third-party companies, usually Yellow Pages or local businesses that can arrange for delivery by a third-party shipper, to provide the solution because the retailer doesn't have the capability or overall vision themselves. The business of delivering products is getting harder and harder, and customers expect online purchases to arrive the same day if at all possible. Less tangible factors become more strategic routes to getting products to your doorstep quickly, incorporating factors such as limited storage to release products that are behind schedule. Number 4. How to get and maintain positive feedback on Etsy and other sites. I know there are many things that can help you succeed in Etsy selling, but the most important one is providing 5-star customer satisfaction. If you make sure that you keep your customers happy and fulfilled, they will be more likely to leave feedback, good or bad. The second is to ask for feedback. You can do this by sending a message to your customers after they buy from you, asking them to leave you a review. This can be done at the time of purchase or a few days after, when your customers are likely to check out your products. Not only is it the right thing to do for your customers, it will also give your products more credibility and boost your brand. Other success factors include showing that you care, that you value your customers. Finally, and most importantly, is responding to your customers' feedback. To demonstrate that you value feedback and take it seriously, it's important to allow them to submit a review. You should care about how the customers have interacted with your products and services, and that you will work to improve them. I hope you enjoyed this video and I look forward to hearing your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I will continue to share information on how to sell handmade products with you. Until we meet again, stay strong and enjoy a happy life. Thanks for watching.